Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Dr. Lichumo Timore, Interventional Cardiologist, MBBS, MD Medicine, GM Cardiology, is available for consultation from 1st March 2025 in Woodland, Shillong.
But something has to be written.
Kaladon ke Jaiñtia ke basngusi ha kesnong Wapung Skur East Jaiñtia Hills District hadien baki Briew ki bomla ban Ithuh Durkhmat kilalek ban penpra bat ban penthut ya ke Jaiñtia vote ha ke polling station jongki shenrang bat ki kintai ha ke ne kesnong ha ke arpoi terik rumpang arajar arpusan. Ka Additional Deputy Commissioner jongka East Jaiñtia Hills District ka kong Jacqueline U. Karpuri. Kabadairu ka Returning Officer kalayatu ba kini ki Briew ki bamla ban Ithuh Durkhmat ki balawan poi ha ka polling station ha ka por kumba khatway laipusan men step kila rung jubor ha po ka polling station jongki kintai bat penpra ya ka EVM. Hadien kani ha ka por khatway bije laipunyo minute men step. Kini ki Briew gila rung pat saha ka jaka tap vote jongki shenrang ban penpra saya ki EVM ha ka ne ka jaka. Tang Shio jeng tip halor kani marmar u Deputy Commissioner jongka East Jaiñtia Hills District u Shivansh Awasthi u Superintendent of Police u Giri Prasad bat u Deputy Inspector General of Police kila hiar marmar siya kani kasnong ban penlong ye ka jing tokit.
We received information around 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapung Skur bakadai jong shenrang bat bi pada kadai jong ki kentai te hakani pada baro kayat bet men step di kamdon ye kadon kajinya sutu bakla men step kendiat layak penbek te kalayat bet baro te hadu khatway arpau ru kalayat bet ka kam baro ndrei hadin pada tentu hakapor khatway lai kusan tinggi yo nok report bakala don kata kajing wan jong kita ki Briew ki bam Ithuh khmat da menu ki ba ya don hang ni ki badang ya terikam na kaliang presiding bat ki polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti Ithuh khmat ki shuwan ki shu le force entry nang ta ki shu penpat penperalut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya ka kam penle election te ha ka ju ko por hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilek sahapo sakita kiwei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada kisdang sakitaru kilek ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat lut ya kitiar EVM kibamla Ithuh khmat di habaki nak liang jung kisnong lu kila penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban Ithuh khmat kisuan ki rumbai ki penpat ha kamil ru ti Nrei baro men step kalang kalaya jai ha karu komlong jongka jing thep vote te kensan ha kita ki porhi isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban Ithuh khmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban Ithuh khmat te ni nang haban wat jing tep ya kata dem ki klam cover tamak ki Briew ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim Ithuh ki kim tip ya ki dei nasional ne kim dei ru tip okay te stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata mereka kalian jong polling team jong ni ki ong nim Ithuh ki dei na eru kim ong badai na eru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki shurung baik forcefully shurung baik ki shupen shurung ki shuan penpat baik